Get a feel for the 2019 Hyundai Accent. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's an affordable way to get the features you need and the quality you want. Presenting the Hyundai Accent, the compact sedan that gives you a spacious cabin, touchscreen infotainment, advanced safety tech, and a comfortable, lively ride. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, power steering. You don't have to blow your budget to get the features you want. This Accent is waiting for you. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.